Introduction to App Development. Welcome to the world of app development. Whether you're new to coding or a tech enthusiast that is ready to dive deeper, this series is your gateway to mastering mobile and web app development. In this video series, we'll cover the following: Introduction to web app development using no-code tools, as well as front-end and back-end web development using code. Introduction to mobile app development using no-code tools with official iOS and Android toolkits, as well as cross-platform tools such as React Native. And on the cutting edge, app development with artificial intelligence tools, making use of AI tools such as OpenAI's GPT-4 in your apps, as well as making use of AI to write your apps. Together, we'll explore the tools, techniques, and platforms that power today's most innovative apps. So, buckle up for an exciting ride as we embark on this journey of creativity and digital exploration. So, what exactly is app development? At its core, app development is about creating digital tools that solve problems, entertain, or bring people together. It covers everything from building a simple to-do list app to complex e-commerce platforms like Amazon. When we talk about apps, we're referring to two main types: web apps and mobile apps. In this video, we'll break down both worlds and show you how to build with a range of platforms and technologies. Before we get into coding, let's talk about an essential step: prototyping. Think of prototyping as drawing up the blueprint of your app before constructing the building. It helps you visualize your ideas, design user interactions, and identify potential issues early on. One of the most popular tools for this is Figma. It's used by designers and developers around the globe, including right here in Dubai, to bring their app ideas to life. In this series, we'll show you how to use Figma to create simple, clickable prototypes, which can be a game changer for your development process. First, let's focus on web app development. When we say web app development, we mean creating the websites and web apps you access via browsers like Chrome, Safari, or Edge. This field is vast and can be broken down into three main parts: front-end, back-end, and databases. Front-end is what users see and interact with on a website: the layout, the colors, the buttons. Technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are the building blocks of front-end development. For example, when you visit the App Olympics official website, every button you click, every image you see is crafted using these front-end technologies. Back-end is the behind-the-scenes part of a website. It's responsible for handling requests, storing information, and ensuring everything runs smoothly. Imagine an online shopping app. The back-end is what processes your orders, updates the inventory, and securely handles payments. Popular back-end frameworks include Node.js, which uses JavaScript, and Flask, which uses Python. Databases store all the data for the website or app. For instance, when you create an account on an e-learning platform, your username, password, and progress are stored in a database. Later in this series, we'll explore how to integrate databases into your apps. When we talk about app development, we often mean building for mobile platforms, namely iOS and Android. If you're a resident of Dubai, you've probably used government apps such as Dubai Now to access city services. That's a great example of iOS applications designed to enhance the lives of residents. Apple and Google, respectively, have released their own SDKs, software development kits, for developers like yourselves to build and release apps for their platforms. For iOS development, many developers use Apple's native tools, the Swift programming language, and Xcode for the Mac. This gets developers access to the latest tools. In 2024, this would include something like Apple Intelligence. In earlier years, you might have heard of app developers getting rich, making widgets on iOS 13 to impress TikTok influencers. For Android development, many developers use Google's native tools, namely the programming language Kotlin, on the Android Studio app, available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Many startups prefer Kotlin because of its concise syntax and compatibility with existing Java code. If you're aiming to target both iOS and Android users simultaneously, cross-platform app development is the way to go. Tools like React Native, developed by Meta, allow you to write code once and deploy it across both platforms. Some popular apps built using React Native include Instagram and Uber Eats. There's more than one way to build an app, and in this series, we'll cover 3 exciting approaches: no code, full code, and coding with AI. No code means creating apps without writing traditional code. It's perfect for beginners and those looking to quickly prototype ideas. Think of platforms like Bubble or Glide. They let you build apps with a drag-and-drop interface. It's like creating a digital Lego set. Imagine you're running a local event and need a quick app for registration. No-code tools can help you build that app in just a few hours. Full code, on the other hand, means getting hands-on with the actual programming languages and tools. This is where technologies such as Swift, Kotlin, React Native, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Node.js, and Flask come into play. Full code development gives you more control and flexibility, allowing you to build complex, custom features tailored to your specific needs. And now let's talk about AI. Artificial intelligence is transforming the way we develop apps in 2 main ways. Generative AI APIs. Many of today's hottest startups use AI models like GPT-4o, which powers ChatGPT to drive innovative features. Imagine an app that can provide real-time language translation for tourists visiting Dubai, or a chatbot that offers customer support for local businesses. These are possible with the help of generative AI APIs. In this series, we'll demonstrate how you can integrate AI into your apps to make them more interactive and intelligent. AI-assisted coding. AI isn't just for apps. It's also for developers. With tools like GitHub Copilot and Cursor, you can ask AI to write parts of your code for you, drastically speeding up your development process. We'll demonstrate how these tools work, how they can help you overcome coding challenges, and how to use them responsibly. And that's just the beginning. Over the next few videos, we'll dive deeper into each of these topics, breaking down complex concepts into simple, practical steps you can follow. Remember, app development is not just about writing code. It's about bringing your ideas to life and creating solutions that can impact our communities, right here in Dubai and beyond. So, get ready to unleash your creativity and start building the apps of the future. Happy learning!